Today is 19th of December 2020. This is the condition of the terrapins today. We put about 10 pellets into the water, and then now only 4 left, and then can see 1's 2, so he's shitting well, so he looks more okay compared to the tomorrow. We still continue the antibiotics and anti-inflammatory oral medications, and then also put the antibiotics drop to the wound. So this is the condition of the terrapins today. And then the white spot from the shell is much better already. We applied the antibiotics, antifungal creams overnight, and then we also dry dock overnight, so the white spot on the shell is much better. So now this is the conditions. And then the wound from the near the mouth is start to heal already. It's much better compared to the first day. So this is the conditions today. 19th of December 2020.